Hi there, welcome to a review of compound sentences, this time with conjunctive adverbs. I'll give you an example of that in a moment. Let's do a quick review. Compound sentences will have two independent clauses or more, and each independent clause will have a subject and a verb. So you're going to be looking for the subject-verb pairs. Here are three different ways that we can identify the compound sentences. The one we're looking at right now is with a conjunctive adverb. Conjunctive adverbs, you'll have a list in your documents. Meanwhile, consequently, however, those are the main conjunctive adverbs we're going to look at. So they act as adverbs, and in this case, they are connecting two independent clauses. So it'll have an independent clause, semicolon, conjunctive adverb, and then a comma, and then the other independent clause. Let's take a quick look at, I wanted the green bike, however, I bought the blue bike. So if we look at this, we're looking for two subject-verb pairs. So I wanted the green bike. We know we have a subject. Who or what are we talking about? Subject here. What did the subject do? Here's our verb. Then we see our trigger word, however. Here's our conjunctive adverb. And one way that we can tell is it's got a semicolon and a comma. So here's our conjunctive adverb. We're going to just diagram that like a regular old adverb. Sounds fancy as a conjunctive adverb, but it's really just an adverb that's connecting two independent clauses. Next independent clause, our subject would be, who or what are we talking about? I, and then what did I do? I bought. So there's our verb, the blue bike. So when we diagram this, let's just start with what we know. I wanted. What did I want? Bike. So bike is being wanted, receiving the action of the verb, and then we have what kind of bike? Green. Then we still want to connect these sentences. They're compound sentences, so we're going to connect them still. We're going to have a subject down here. You could probably move this over if you felt like it looked prettier. I. And then what did I do? I bought. What did I buy? Bike. So this is very similar. Bike, what kind of bike? Oh, I forgot the. Oh, I bet somebody noticed that. The. If we had been in class, somebody was misclaimed, correction. You guys are awesome. So then what kind of bike? Which one? The. What kind? Blue. So we have all of our words here except for our conjunctive adverb, which is however. However is modifying. So remember, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. So it can only, in this case, modify the sentence that it's in, the independent clause that it's in. So it would be the second independent clause, so down here, and it's modifying the verb. It will not go on this dotted line. Why? Right, it is not a conjunction. It's just a conjunctive adverb acting like a regular old adverb. So however goes down here. All right, thanks for reviewing with me. Keep going.